Everyone thinks the best-selling Citizen Eco Drive watches are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Weekender Bryson Chronograph. The Citizen Men's Eco Drive Weekender Bryson Chronograph caught my attention with its sporty design and practical features, priced at around $208. If you want a watch that combines style with functionality, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a 15-second chronograph that can measure up to 60 minutes, perfect for timing events or workouts. With 100 meters of water resistance, you can wear it confidently while swimming or during storms. Plus, it's backed by a 5-year limited warranty, which is pretty solid for peace of mind. Now, some users have mentioned that the chronograph can be a bit tricky to reset. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal breaker at all, just a little learning curve. This is perfect for you if you love sports and need a reliable, stylish watch that can keep up. Skip this one if you prefer a more classic design. Overall, it's a great value for what you get. Now, if the sporty style of the Bryson isn't your vibe, the next one on my list might actually be more your speed. Product number 2, Classic Corso Eco Drive Watch. Next up, we have the Citizen Men's Classic Corso Eco Drive watch, priced at $175. This caught my eye for its timeless design that easily transitions from work to play. If you want a watch that looks good in any setting, this is definitely worth considering. One of the key features here is the 3-hand date display. It's straightforward, which means you can quickly check the time and date without fussing with complicated dials. The luminous hands are also a bonus for those late-night meetings. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 100 meters, so whether you're caught in the rain or enjoying a day at the beach, you're covered. However, some users have pointed out that the strap can feel a bit stiff initially. But honestly, once you break it in, it softens up nicely, and it's a minor issue for such style and functionality. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a classic piece that you can wear anywhere. Skip this one if you want something sportier. It's a solid investment for everyday elegance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might just be a better fit if you love a field watch aesthetic. Product number 3, Weekender Avian Field Watch. Now let's check out the Citizen Men's Eco Drive Weekender Avian Field Watch, priced at $187.05. The first thing that stands out is its rugged look that's perfect for outdoor adventures. If you want a watch that can handle your active lifestyle, this one is worth a serious look. Plus, it's powered by Eco Drive technology, which means it doesn't require battery changes, just sunlight or any light source will keep it ticking. And with 100 meters of water resistance, it's ready for whatever you throw at it. That said, a few users have mentioned that it's a bit bulkier than expected. But honestly, if you're out hiking or camping, that extra heft can actually feel reassuring and sturdy. This is perfect for you if you love outdoor activities and want a watch that lasts. Skip this if you prefer something more refined and dressy. It's a fantastic choice for adventure lovers. Now, if you're looking for something that blends classic elegance with modern features, the next one on the list might catch your eye. Product number 4, Classic Addison Eco Drive Watch. The men's Classic Addison Eco Drive watch, priced at $190, is up next. What really grabbed me was its sleek design featuring a sapphire crystal. If you're after a watch that looks sophisticated without being overly flashy, this is worth checking out. This watch features a 3-hand date display and boasts a stunning blue dial that really pops against the silver-toned stainless steel. The sapphire crystal is more scratch-resistant than mineral crystal, which means your watch will stay looking new longer. Plus, it shares that Eco Drive tech, so no need for battery changes. And again, with 100 meters of water resistance, you're all set for daily wear. Now, I did see some complaints about the blue dial being a bit hard to read in certain lighting. Here's the thing though, most watches have their quirks, and to me, the aesthetics more than make up for it. This is perfect for you if you need a watch that strikes a balance between casual and formal. Skip this one if you prefer more traditional colors. It's definitely a worthy investment for style and function. Now, for those who prefer a more classic leather strap, the last watch on the list might be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, Eco Drive Leather Strap Watch. Finally, we have the men's classic Eco Drive leather strap watch priced at $179.95. This watch caught my attention for its classic leather look that can elevate any outfit. If you're looking for a timeless piece, this might be the one for you. The design is simple yet elegant, featuring a 3-hand date display and gold-toned stainless steel. Plus, the Eco Drive technology means you'll never have to worry about changing the battery, just let it soak up the light. However, the water resistance is only rated at 30 meters, which means it's not ideal for swimming. But honestly, it's perfect for everyday wear or dressier occasions. Some users have mentioned that the leather strap can take a while to break in. Here's the thing, though, once it does, it's super comfortable and really adds to the charm of the watch. This is perfect for you if you appreciate classic design and want a reliable everyday watch. Skip this if you need something more rugged. It's a great value for a stylish timepiece. So there you have it. From the sporty weekender Bryson to the elegant Eco Drive leather strap watch, each of these citizen timepieces brings something unique to the table. Depending on your style and needs, you're bound to find the perfect fit among these top picks. Remember, it's all about what suits you best.